Alright, so one thing I do need to point out that's quite essential is this column here is going to give you some grief. And I currently, to be honest with you, don't have a faster way of doing this, but as you can see on the front of the call sheet, it's not adding up the total pages. And this is a combination of things. For one, you've got to go and change the format. Make sure that the format is here. I'm just going to click it again for good measure. Now, it changed everything, right? I'm actually going to undo that. I'm going to insert a column to the right. I'm going to copy this one. You'll see why. Now I'm going to redo this. I'm going to change this formatting over here. Boom. Now it's done. And I know that this has to be 5/8. When you hover over pages, it tells you what to do. It basically says, make sure, however, to type 2.5 or equals 2 plus 4/8, not just 2 space 4/8, right? So this is going to be equal. You can see it in the bar, enter. The value in this, though, is that now I know that this number, I can file, find, and replace this number with equals 5/8. And I can replace all, and I'm just going to do it in this sheet just in case, replace all, and it's telling me there were 5 instances. Done. This guy, we know is 3/8. So I'm going to copy this guy, find and replace with equals 3/8. You want to be careful to do it in this way, because if you were to try to replace this with equals 3/8, it would take scenes where you have, say, 3 and 3/8, and it would just replace the 3/8 part, right? So you have to do that, whatever that number represents. To be honest, I have no idea. And we're going to replace all. Okay, and it found 27 instances. Great. This guy's supposed to be 2/8. And so you repeat that. I'm just going to do it for the first 5 scenes. Equals 2/8. Replace all. Okay, done. Skis. Son of a biscuit. All right, a couple more. I just happen to make 5 scenes on the call sheet. 1/8. Right, that's correct. Correct. Replace. We got 41 instances. This is 6/8. Find and replace. Equals 6/8. Whoa, too many 6s. 8s. Replace all. Okay. Done. And then what's nice is that the bigger page count tend to have matched already naturally. Obviously, you'll have to do this for all of them. Now, when you're here, 5 and 3, that's 8. That's a page. And 5 plus 5, that is 5. Yep. Oh, and this guy is bugging out. Let's find out what the issue is. Maybe we do need to go to page... Oh, yeah. Remember... So, by the way, I guess I'll gray out this color. I'll strike this guy out so that we don't confuse it, because I am going to delete it after. So, this is where we have to be careful. If it's 3 and 5/8, it needs to be equals 3 plus 5/8. So, I doubt there are many instances of this guy, so I'm just going to type it in here. 3 plus 5/8 rather than a word. Find and replace equals. And now when we go to the front of the call sheet, there we go. We got our page count that's accurate. So that is one manual thing that if you guys have a solution, please let me know and I'll update what's going on here. So here, okay, so I see what's happening here. It's got the cast over here. Everything's off by a little bit, right? Exterior, etc., etc. This is because I added this column here, this helper column. I'm going to delete this column, and now we're back to normal. And let's make this nice and big. That's a few tidbits of information. More videos will come. If you have any questions, any specific problems, you can message us and we can try to get back to you as fast as possible. I suspect you will not get answers in time if you're in the middle of a shoot trying to figure out what the issue is with something. Best of luck, and we'll see you soon.